Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I'm going to work on another art journal. I have my Davenport book again, and I covered the pages back and forth with magazine pages because I don't want the rest to be ruined. I'm going to reach out for a magazine that I love, and probably you watched videos before with the content that I took from this magazine, Daphne's Diary. You can order it online. It's available in most places, and I will leave the link down below where you can find how to buy it. I'll flip through the pages if you haven't seen before. It's a magazine about travel, food, crafts, many things together. Daphne creates it herself because it's her passion. And I took a page already, this little girl and some teacups. I love the page layout and the colors, so I took inspiration from it. So I decided to create something similar, but changing the concept a little bit. It will be an easy page because when you have the images ready, all you have to do is to create a background and create the concept. I will use one of my favorite acrylic paints. These are by Finnabair, Prima acrylic paints. They are metallic, so they have a shimmer to them. I hate to waste some paint that's stuck on the cap, so I put it on my page, and I didn't prepare my pages with gesso. I think these pages take paint quite good, so I didn't do it. And I'm mixing some colors. This is dark blue, navy, and the other is mermaid. So I'm mixing some dark blue color with some turquoisey colors, and it's creating a nice combination. You will see the brush strokes, don't worry, when I layer it over and over again, it will look more natural. I love the process of putting some paint as a background. It's very meditative to me. I don't know you, but I feel really good just painting this page with a few colors. As you see, I'm not even washing my brush. I'm going from color to color without cleaning it. Because it helps me to blend as well. Now I'm going to do some stamping at the background. Since my concept is some tea time, I have these stamps that has stains, tea or coffee stains, and I took my navy Archival ink by DINA weekly, and I'm just stamping here and there to have some interest at the background. It doesn't need to be perfect. And there is some turquoise color here as well, and I think I told you before, I don't like this 4-in-1 stamp because I can't use it efficiently. It's not user friendly, but I like the colors and I have it, so I will use it. And I used another stamp, but it's not so visible on camera. I realize it, but it's there is some interest, and it doesn't matter which stamp really. I just put some design to have something going on, not to have something so flat. Now I'm using some mixed media gloss paste from Stamperia, and this is the equivalent of any gloss paste from any brand, but you need heavy body because I'm going to do some stenciling using these beautiful clocks from Crafter's Workshop. And I mixed it with ruby red color from Prima paints again, the same type of paint. I used mixed media gloss paste because I didn't want this shine to be lost. If I use normal paste, modeling paste, which is white, I would lose the shine. When you use metallic paints together with normal paste, modeling paste, which are white, you will lose the shine. It disappears within that paste. However, if you use gloss paste that is transparent, you will have your shine that is coming from the acrylic paint. So this is the tip of the day. I learned it by trial as well. Losing it over and over again, finally I found mediums that carries all this gloss. Now I'm going to stick my images. I'm using matte medium to stick my images. I love the contrast that it generates these cloaks over the background because they are red. And also there are red elements in my girl, in the cups, so it also creates some cohesiveness all around the page. And here are my cups. There is also a page full of stickers in this magazine, so I'm going to take them and put all my nice cookies and chocolate, everything that goes very well with tea. These are the companions. Again, I am taking care of the color combination and the cohesiveness because there are reds, pinks. I prefer to put these companions in the same colors. And I'm using this indigo color Faber-Castell brush pen to go around my images and give some shadow around them so that they blend with the background better. They don't look like images that are stuck there. I'm just smudging it with my finger carefully without bringing it upon my image. Now I'm going to cut the excess of the images. When I cut the girl, there were hair like this flying, so I lost it. So I will give it back with my white gel pen. It gives a movement and it looks more natural. It also blends with the page much better. So I really like it. Now I'm going to do some doodling. Basically, we need some white on the page because the background is very dark. So I'm going to do some polka dots with my white gel pen. As you see, again, it lightens up the page and brings everything together. And I decided as a border I'm going to do some stitches again with my white gel pen. Also framed my page, and to make it clear the images, I'm going to go around them with my white gel pen again to give some border. This will be for all my images, also my girl and other cookies and cakes. Now it's time for the sentiment. I'm using this tiny text from Bella Boulevard in red. You can use any red sticker, or you can die cut it, paint it later. It's up to you. Since it's a tea concept, my sentiment is simple and sweet. It's hug in a cup. I'm putting these stickers for hug and cup. And I'm going to write in A with my gel pen. Last touch, we'll be using some stickles. This is diamond stickles, which is a transparent color. It gives some glitter only. And I love it because the glitter doesn't go everywhere and your hands are full of it because it sticks very well. And I'm going to use it over my hearts that I find on my cup and other hearts that I have on the page. And I think I'm done. I hope you like it. It's quite a colorful one this time with a sweet concept. If you did, please don't forget to give me thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As usual, you will find the links to the products that I used down below at the description area, as much as I can find them, and the close-up pictures at the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.